This CD has 2 guided meditations with soft words, gentle music, and nature sounds that relax your body and mind while lifting your spirit. In the first part, you are guided to a pyramid of light and then observe the beauty that Earth has to offer. Gratitude is a very powerful healing agent. Part 2 has the sound of ocean waves and a guided meditation for peaceful rest or sleep. Some use this CD to wind down after exercise class. Others use it as a gift for someone recovering from illness, stress, or a loss. Many remark that the soft words and gentle music help them fall asleep. You can order this healing meditation CD from the Vibrant Health Happiness website. It is a meditation to listen to and not a video to watch. However, there are free inspirational videos to watch on our Vibrant Health Happiness YouTube channel. Blessings and peace.